thinking. Go ấy đi. Con học rồi. Oh, it's yummy, right? And this is spinning, and this one's Christmas. Do you want ice cream, Richard? Come over. Go have mine already. That's one. Oh, I did not know that. Richard, you want ice cream? Come over. Hurry up before we put away. Because ice cream cannot put outside too long. And Ma, you want ice cream?
No, thank you.
You can come take by yourself.
Which
you
one
want?
Which one is?
Either one, which one you want? Come over, take it by yourself.
What do we have?
We have strawberry lamb chili, and another one a Christmas something.
What is strawberry? What?
Try it and then see.
Can you help me pick up that water bottle? Be careful, be careful. Oh, wait, Richard, wait. The thing was about to hit you. Good. Okay, hold it.
Richard, you on device again?
What?
You don't want the ice cream? I got the ice cream?
I don't know which one. What do you mean not chili?
Okay, I take some for you and then you try it. I don't know.
Oh, limited edition Santa White Christmas.
Read by yourself because I don't know how to read. Okay, go take your own spoon. Go busy.
Okay.
Right there, you're. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa, it looks perfect.